we will learn am, is, and are. Today we will learn am, is, are. What is this? I go for am. I go for am. I is the friend of am. I is the friend of am. What is this? He. He is the friend of is. He is the friend of is. What is this? She. She is also the friend of is. She is also the friend of is. What is this? They. They is the friend of are. They is the friend of are. This is we. We is also